guys, I have a Yoshi amiibo for the Super Mario, and also I got Bowser and a Pro Controller. So I'm gonna unbox them. If I don't have the time for that Pro Controller, then I'm gonna do that in right after we get home from Bed Bath & Beyond. So anyway, we're going to Bed Bath & Beyond, I think, but I don't know. Anyway, so I'll pause until we get this amiibo open. Actually, we're not going to Bed Bath & Beyond, so we probably will get it. So bye. Okay, guys, here's my amiibo, and if you're wondering what our channel is, it's not just Rolls. It was going to be the Shadow Boy but Shadow Boy or Shadow Family. But we couldn't actually change the name of our channel yet. So tell us how to do that anyway. Well, so anyways, there's Shadow Baby. Say hi, Shadow Baby. Good. Yay. Say hi. Kip, say hi to the camera. Oh. Okay. He actually said hello too. That's his first time. And here's a Yoshi amiibo. Now, I also got a Pro Controller, so you might see some gameplay right after this video. So stay tuned to my channel. Now, if you're looking for a perfect gameplay in the walkthroughs, this is the wrong channel, because walkthrough, I can do walkthroughs though, but I get through like all treasure chests, like and stuff like that. But I can do like Mario stuff like that. So I'm gonna get the next one out. So now we have Bowser amiibo. Let's show you it. Boom! You see it? Oh man.
Yeah, I did.
I feel so bad for buying this thing.
Ain't know what you were talking about.
I'm gonna solely at the amiibo party. Amiibo. Anyways, let's get back. Hey guys, we got the Bowser amiibo. He's pretty heavy.
I saw him too, and I thought
Shadow Baby. Shadow Baby photobomb does. Go away! No, you're gonna throw it. Come on, Shadow Baby. Seriously. So here he is. Wait a second. Here he is. Now his back. Why? Okay, enough playing around. Here's a Pro Controller. And I'm gonna clean. Guys, I am actually gonna clean all this up. So this might take longer than you would expect, but I'm gonna skip through the video. So bye till after. Sorry guys, but we're gonna have to do this at home. So the Pro Controller. Seriously, Shadow Baby? You've got to photobomb everything, do you? Don't you? Anyways, so guys, if you're looking for more things amiibo, or more things Mario, or basically more things, then totally leave a comment below. Sorry for the delay on my channel name, but all the other videos I used to have are old, so basically you can do all those videos. I want you to do that because they're pretty interesting.
I won't go to Bojangles with $100. Number one.
Anyway, so let's go.
here's all I got.
So bye. I'll see you at home
Use your card.
when I'm at home for the next video, and then I'm gonna be playing Amiibo Party
What you gonna do?
if I can get the camera right. So bye.